friends, I am Devari P. I am going to teach you a baby boat. To make it, you need one square paper. First, fold this way properly. Then the other side. Then in then open other side, so fold this way. Here. Then this way. Here also this way. Fold all sides. Turn over. Fold here. Rotate and folding this side out. Take this side and here, then take this side, then fold this way. Then this way, here, this way, then you need to do this way, then this side also, then this side, then this side, when you do it, you need to do slowly, otherwise it will turn. Fold in half, then open it, then back side slowly push out, otherwise it will turn over here or here. Slowly, slow, slowly, then make it proper way. Fold this way and fold this way and open it. Open it. The baby boat is finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.